Hey everyone, and welcome to Lety Does Deadly Class. So, it's been a while since I have done one of these episodes, because I haven't been keeping up with Deadly Class as religiously as I should be, so I'm kind of behind. I need some catching up to do. But the last episode I saw was the first episode when it released like a month early, and we just got introduced to Marcus, who is this homeless teen slash young adult, and he has been recruited by the Deadly Arts school to be a master of the deadly arts because he is considered a influencer, a disruptor of America. And his current goal is to kill Ronald Reagan because he cut funding for people with mental issues and a person with it's complicated. His parents ended up dying because of someone with dementia, I believe. So yeah, that's his current goal in life. He didn't really have much of a life going for him before this. So now he's at the school and he meets all his classmates, and a good portion of them want to kill him. So I'm a fan of the comic books. I really like how they adapted the first episode. I felt like it was really nicely done, and I hope that they continue that with this episode. I assume that they are going to change some things because, you know, it's a TV show and they probably want to drag out as many episodes and as many seasons of this as they can. So, I feel like the next episode's probably going to be a little slower so that we can, like, get more character development and stuff like that. But yeah, that's, I basically said everything that I was expecting of this show in my trailer reaction or when I was freaking out during the first episode. So, I'm just gonna have to, like, watch this one and see what they changed or see what they didn't change and they kept the same and was very well adapted, I hope. So I will let you guys know as I watch this episode. But otherwise, yeah, that's basically it. Deadly Class, Season 1, Episode 2, Noise, Noise, Noise. Let's get started. Ew, Lex didn't clean his hands, he kissed him. Oh, this is part of the schoolyard. We're gonna come back here later. Oh yeah, Ronald Reagan did have a thing for jelly beans, huh? Only one of you could do it, he said? Everyone else failed? Even Saya? That's weird. And I didn't hear what the riddle was. I couldn't hear it all that well. Carefully. Reply carefully. Oh, well, that's not good, is it? Shabnam. Shabnam? That's how they're saying it? Shabnam? Okay, Shabnam.
Oh, there's a lot they're not telling you.
Oh, I love Lex's character. His actor portrays him so well. I'm gonna be so sad. That's so evil. I'm so proud of you. No. I love them. I'm gonna be so sad. Oh shit! Saya about to cut him. Shabnam, or sorry, what did he say? Sabnam? I'm not sure what he said, but he's trying to clean the house. Lex! Ew. Oh no! They're making him have feelings for her? Oh, this is sad. considering it. Oh, this is just sad. I don't like this. Why are they doing this? I love Lex. He's just all over the place.
A little angry dude, I get the attitude.
Little angry dude.
1977, I saw the band Judas Priest.
Aw, don't call him out. He just wants to be a cool kid.
We won't lock down.
Oh, they're doing his backstory now? Oh, this is sad. Aww. That animation's really cool.
I'm dead.
Willie! He's just a big nerd that wants to read X-Men comics.
Look, I'm sorry.
She's just trying to eat, man.
I think I love you, Petra.
Damn, Billy. Coming on fucking strong. It's okay. I think that would have been really weird anyway. For later known reasons, I think. I don't know. Should I I thought that was a jellyfish!
So what happened?
That was actually pretty funny, Brandy. Aw, oh, come on, dude. You're Nicaraguan. Like, you shouldn't take Mexican jokes so hard. You don't know where he pulled that blunt out from. Oh my god, Lex! What is wrong with you? Lex is beating him with a dildo! Oh! This is so weird. Oh god! I did not need a close-up of Victor's butt. That's so weird. I'll see your dad there. No? No come back? Damn, that would have been cool. Oh man, they are making Benedict Wong's character so fucking weird. And now he's gonna go back to Saya and be like, keep a closer eye on Marcus. Aww. Shabnam got the shit beat out of him by his parents? That sucks.
Who did?
Who did? Dun dun dun. And then we're gonna get a look at... I forgot his name. Oh no! They're not gonna... Oh no! Please don't! Oh, they are! Oh! Oh no! Why? Ah! Why would they... Oh wow, it's surprising how this is happening exactly like the comic. That's disgusting. Oh wow! Oh god! Oh, okay, it just ended. Okay, so, wow. So yeah, they're dragging these out. You know, I didn't expect, like, all the episodes to be, like, 100% plot things. But, yeah, the entire party thing was, like, so weird. I could have swore that it was gonna be, like, this awkward, like, orgy thing. Maybe it didn't happen yet, but we will see. So... we got introduced there at the end to, think. I know that everyone just calls him like fuckface, but what is it? Maybe Chester? Does that sound about right? For those of you that have seen Deadly Class, read it, let me know. But yeah, I think his name is Chester, and he was the bunkmate at the boys' home that Marcus was at. So yeah, they introduced him episode 2, which means that probably the next episode, or the episode after this, if they decide to do it more like fillery, is that everyone is going to decide they need a break and they are going to go to Las Vegas to murder Billy's dad. Which I'm not sure if they're gonna do that this time around. So another change that just kind of left me like, okay, is that they have Billy in love with Petra, I guess, which is probably to make us as the viewers feel worse for him, or like feel that he's a little more justified, and then like for a later reason, and then later we're gonna feel even worse for a later reason as well. Which I don't think is gonna come around this season, but you know what, we will see. But yeah, that's probably for emotional reasons stuffs. So I don't know exactly how much they are going to drag out like the story and how much filler we're going to get, but I think where they're gonna kind of end this first season is somewhere like after Vegas, and we will see what happens then. So at the current moment, he is stuck with Shabnam as his roommate. We will see how that goes. But yeah, otherwise everything is just filler with jokes and fun. I don't think that Petra slept with Victor. I think it's gonna end up being that Petra is gonna be like, oh no, I just really drugged him, and he like ran out of the room because he was like, woo, yeah! Because that seems like a very Petra thing to do, so we will see, I guess. But yeah, otherwise, I guess that is all my thoughts on this episode. Let me know what you guys thought and what your hopes are to see in the rest of the episodes. But otherwise, that's all I got for you for now. So get out there, do all the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, little doggy, you gotta flip the booty.